Hello family, greetings to you all and welcome back to my channel. I'm your brother Chief Lamashewiyapa Singulana, also known as Prince Ayoko, sending my peaceful, warmly and lovely greetings to you all wherever you are. How are you doing and how is our families at your side doing? Alright family, it's been a while since I posted a video about this my beautiful guest house, that is Queen's Guest House, or you can call it Queen's Guest Palace. Yeah, it's been a while since I posted a video about it, and the reason is that I've been very busy. I've been super busy taking care of other things with regards to my responsibilities and my other businesses. So I've just been very busy going around taking care of everything that I'm supposed to take care of. Yeah, so it's glad that you have me back. I know you feel happy to have me back, and for me to also share this updates with you. So far so good. We are just working on the finishing, very busily working on the finishing. Today I have these men who are here, cleaning up the floors, because we are, like I said, we are just getting to the finishing part of the project. So they are here to do the cleanup, just to clean the guest rooms. I just want to make sure that they clean off all the paintings that touches the floor, that fall on the floor to the guest rooms. And we're just gonna do a general cleaning today. So everything is coming along very nicely and very neat. Everything is going on very well, no complaints. So far so good. We are so happy to have all of this progress. So please continue to watch, and if you are new on this channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Share with your families and friends as well. So I'm going to show you how my plumber came over to put on to install the WC as well as the hand washing basin, and just the necessary things that we should have in one of the bathrooms. So keep watching. Thank you. So this particular space here is the bedroom. This room is the bedroom, and my plumber, Mr. Sadiq, has came over. That was like yesterday and the day before yesterday, to install the hand washing basin, which is this one, and then the WC, that is the toilet heater, as well as this particular thing, that is what will be holding the toilet paper. And we also have a shut-up here. So this shut-up is like you can press here and water will flow after you use the toilet. So it's just an additional connection for mostly hand washing of hands, though there's another hand washing basin here And as you can see, we are still cleaning, like I said, but this is the mirror that I've choose for this particular bathroom. And we also have the towel holder here. We have the 4-in-1 shower heads here. So it's a 4-in-1 shower heads. There's a tab here, and this is the one that will be operating the shower. So this is soap dish, and this is another hand washing shatab, as we call it. And this is the telephone shower. So this is the telephone shower. All of it will be clean. The guys are still working on the cleaning. And so this is the shower head itself. This is the shower head itself. Yeah, so that's how it looks. So my plumber is coming back to do the rest of the connections, because I know we'll install water heater, and then this will be the taps, where they'll be opening the shower and everything. So my plumber will come over and fix all of them. So everything is coming along very nicely. The toilet is nice, very nice. The washroom as in general is beautiful. I like it. It's coming along very nicely. So that's how it is from the bedroom. This is the shower, or this is the washroom. And one thing I like about it is the colors of the tiles is very beautiful. Very beautiful. The colors to the tiles is beautiful. And this will be the side for the shower. So this from this particular space here to the other side is going to be the space for the shower. So I just make sure that everything is well planned. There's another towel holder here, and it's a big one. This is a long towel bar holder, or towel bar. So it's come along, everything has come along very nice. We are just working on the finishing, like I told you for the past couple of days, that the finishing part is what matters to us now. So we are just working on it, making sure that everything comes together very nicely. So like I said, they are just here doing the cleaning. And this is the Sankofa design pillars that I've installed to the dining halls. So as you can see, that is the Sankofa design pillars. Very nice. Very beautiful. So this particular space will be the dining hall. And this is the kitchen. So this place should be the kitchen. They are still coming on to clean here. So we are just gonna take today. To do the cleanings. So like I said, everything that we did here, we make sure that it's solid and it's made in Ghana. So most of the products that we use here, about 90% or 95% of the things that we use here is made in Ghana. I'm talking about the building materials that we use here. So this kitchen cabinet, for instance, is, the wood is from Ghana, and the carpenters are Ghanaians. So everything about it is 100% made in Ghana, and it's very beautiful. It's very nice, as you can see. It's very nice. Yeah, so everything is coming along very well. All these doors that we have here are made in Ghana doors. So all of them will be cleaned, everything will be cleaned. We are just working, on the cleaning today, just to make sure that everything is well cleaned and nicely, you know, as you can all see, we're just making sure that everything is well cleaned. So they will clean all the mess that the workers did here. They will make sure that they clean everything before we connect the we connect water to the house. So everything is coming along pretty nice and beautiful. So this is just a single basin. Actually, I did a mistake on that. I should have buy the double sink. I should have buy the double sink. So I decided to. I bought this one. I bought this single sink before realizing that I should have buy the double one. So all of the rest of the kitchens that I have is the double ones. So that's one thing about building. When you are working, then you correct your mistakes and you do the right things. So everything has come along pretty nice. Everything has come along very, very nice. Yeah, so we are just busily working, getting all the good results. And this little boy is also here, just helping his brothers. Yeah, I really like the tiles that I chose here. It's a very nice and beautiful tiles. Okay, so my professional pop ceiling man is also here, Master David. But this morning he himself is not present. It is his apprentices who are here working on the ceiling to the mini apartment that I built on top of the cistern. So it's coming along pretty nice and beautiful. It's almost done. It's about 80 or 85% complete. So they are working on the plaster of Paris ceilings. That is the POP ceilings or the pop ceilings. So they are currently also busy just working on it. They used 2 days to do the moldings, and now they are doing the installations. So everything is coming along pretty nice and beautiful. So that is how it is. So Mr. Kofi and Mr. Emmanuel is very busily installing the pop ceilings. My brothers, you are busy.
Yeah, we are busy.
Yeah. So how is work?
Very fine, sir.
And how is it coming along? How is it coming? Is it gonna be beautiful when it's finished?
Very nice.
Yes, okay. Yeah, I just want to make sure that you take your time and do some professional job for me here.
Yes, sir.
As you already know, no, we don't do shoddy jobs here. Yeah, we don't do shoddy jobs. We always make sure that we do professional jobs here, because this particular place, you already know how it is. It's a mansion, not a tiny house.
We are in palace. We are in palace, so you have to do nice job.
Yeah. Bira. Yeah, so we are still having some work on top here, and that is why we left the scarf. We're still having some work at the top of the building. So that's the reason why the scarf is still installed. I'm waiting for the man to come and do some installation of some designed some concrete moldings at the top, but it's gonna be very nice. So I'm just patiently waiting for him to come before I share with you whatever I'm planning to do, or whatever I plan to do at the top. So like I said, due to the work that we did in these past few days, it has created a lot of dirt in the compound and in some of the rooms. So that's why I got these guys who came over to start cleaning the rooms, because as we getting finished each and every day, we have to also be working on the cleaning part of the work. The cleaning part of it is very, very important. So that's why we are just taking our time to do the cleaning, so that everything would be neat and beautiful. So family, that's all I have to share with you for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and please don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and put any comment in the comment section. If you have questions, just leave your questions in the comment section. Don't forget to share with your families and friends, and give this video a thumbs up. So till we meet again on my next video, I'm your brother Chief Lamashewiyapa, also known as Prince Ayoko, sending my peaceful, warmly and lovely greetings to you all. Thank God it's Friday. Have a wonderful weekend in advance. Peace and love.